Hello everyone, I'm back in the garage today with more parts. This is the Skunk2 Alpha radiator. It's for the CRX. It's got comes in several other flavors for different Hondas as well. I'm gonna try to keep unboxing and first impressions videos separate from installation videos from now on. I know not everybody cares about an unboxing video. If you're watching this, then that means you probably do. Personally, I like to know what mounting hardware comes with it, what mounting hardware doesn't come with it. Like knowing that the Sparco steering wheel did not come with any bolts or screws might have been useful to know ahead of time. And also first impressions on how does it feel, what does it look like. So that's what we're gonna do here today, the Skunk2 Alpha Series radiator. Now, even though this is the half-size radiator, the box is still pretty big, so hopefully I can get this in frame and we can see what's going on here. As you can see, this is a true unboxing. I didn't open this ahead of time and then put it back together to make a video. Which means you get to watch me butcher this box. Sorry. Off the bat, we have a Skunk2 owner's kit, which is fancy looking stuff for a radiator. All right, other stuff. A serial number, how fancy. So it's packed pretty well. I'd be surprised to hear about one of these showing up damaged. So far I have this little bracket and some bolts. We've got the Skunk2 sticker. I have so many of these now that I don't know what I'll ever do with. With the radiator itself, so there's not a lot of extra stuff in here. This little bag of screws and bolts, and then this bag. So, bling on the top, cool cap, right? Mounting things. It does have this valve for draining. Some aftermarket radiators don't, which is kind of a pain. It's got the Alpha emblem on it. Feels good, looks good, all embossed. Feels premium-ish. And this highly unnecessary holographic sticker. If you can see that. This is going to go in the CRX, mostly not because I need more cooling, but because I need more room for the Borg Warner Turbo. So stay tuned for more videos on that and the installation of this. I've heard some mixed reviews on whether or not this can be installed with a traction bar, and I do have the innovative traction bar. So I may have to do some welding or customizing of something. And so stay tuned for that.